There is a straight highway which is leading to the foot of a tower. Now there is a person standing in the top of the tower. He is looking at a car which is coming towards the tower. Initially, when he views the car, he is able to view the car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. And after 6 seconds, the car has moved little more towards the foot of the tower. Now he is able to view the car at an angle of depression of 60 degree. Now suppose if the time taken to move from this point to this point is 6 seconds, then they are asking us to find out what will be the time taken by the car from this point to move to the foot of the tower. Now we will take the height of the tower to be h, then the time taken we don't know, we will take that as t, and here the distance is going to be, time taken is 6 into speed, so we will take it as 6s. Now taking the smaller triangle, that is ABN, in triangle ABN we are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side. That is, we are going to use tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Substituting the values, now the angle is 60 degrees, so we will have tan 60 degree equal to opposite side, that is AB, by adjacent side, that is BN. Now tan 60 degree value is root 3, so we are going to have root 3 equal to AB value, that is h, by BN, that is t. Now taking this t to the other side, we will have root 3t equal to h. You keep this as result 1. Now considering the bigger triangle, in triangle ABM, again we are going to relate the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we are going to consider tan, but the angle now is 30 degree, so we are going to have tan 30 degree equal to opposite side, that is AB, by adjacent side, that is MB. Now this is substituting the values, we will have 1 by root 3 equal to AB, that is h, by MB, which is 6s plus t. We will take this to be t, that is what we have to find out. Now taking this 6s plus t to that side, we will have 6s plus t by root 3 equal to h. This is your equation 2. Now this h here is nothing but the height of the tower. This h also is the height of the same tower. So height of the tower in both the cases is representing the same tower. So the right hand sides are going to be equal. Then automatically the left hand sides also will be equal. So we are going to have, equating the left hand sides, we will have root 3t equal to 6s plus t by root 3. Taking this root 3 to this side, we will have root 3 into root 3 is 3t equal to 6s plus t. Bringing that t to this side, we will have 3t minus t equal to 6s. So 3t minus t is 2t, so we have 2t is equal to 6s. Then t is going to be 6 into s by 2, that is t is equal to 3s. Now this t is nothing but the distance here. You know that the distance is given by time taken into speed. They have given the car is traveling with a uniform speed. So we took the speed here to be s. Here also it is going to be s. Only the time is changing. Initially here the time was 6. So the time into speed. Speed is s. Time is going to be 3 seconds. Now we have found out the time taken. Time taken equal to 3 seconds.